Hey production team, this is Steven and I am here with Scott Woodfelt, and I have some incredibly exciting news. Over the past 6 or 7 months, we went through the laborious process of hiring a production team assistant to work with me here in Livermore in building our volunteer teams for our weekend services and also for all the other amazing ministries that God has. And the great thing is, the search is over. We have decided to extend an offer of employment, and Scott Woodfelt has accepted. Our production team intern is now coming on as the part-time production team assistant here in Livermore. And Scott, what will you be doing over this next couple seasons with me?
Well, I'll be helping out with making training videos so that whenever we implement new equipment, we can get people up to speed on everything. Whenever we have new volunteers that want to join us, I'm going to be getting them on board with us, getting them up to speed so that they could just jump right in. And then I'm going to be also partnering with other churches in the area just to find other ways of training or just doing different types of things with other churches that can help us and then help them as well.
I'm so stinking excited. I always know that I say I'm excited, but this year is going to be killer because we're going to be partnering with other churches. We're going to build a video library because we truly want to equip the people who come to our church so that they can do ministry the way that God has called them to do it in every single ministry area that we have. And Scott is going to be integral with that this year. If you see Scott around, give him a high five, give him a little hug and a noogie and say, "Welcome aboard, dude," because this year our goal is that we have an amazing equipping ministry area, an amazing inviting production team where we're always bringing our best, and the things that we do are not only top-notch and done well, but they're done with just a great heart and serving God. So we love you guys, and we look forward to just this new season coming up.